got mad. Bitching and moaning on and on about the time I had. And by Tuesday, you could say that road was as good as gone. And when Thursday came around, I was all alone. So I went for a ride, cleared my mind, ended up at a show on Oscar 5. Then I won $100 on the scratch off ticket, bought 10 12 packs in a 10 gas fee. It's more